Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset Tenda AX1500 MX3 match system to factory default settings. You can follow the same reset instructions to reset Tenda Nova EX3, AX1500 or Nova MW5G or Nova MW6 AC1200 mesh Wi-Fi systems too. So we will need to reset our Tenda Nova when our Nova unit is not working as it's supposed to, or you forgot the login ID or password. Then resetting it to factory default settings will fix the issue and we will set this unit up again. So for that, first plug the Tenda Nova mesh unit into a power source. It will take around 2 minutes for the device to complete its startup. After 2 minutes or so, hold down the reset button present on the back side of this unit using a needle-like item such as a pin or pen for about 8 seconds, and then release the reset button when the LED indicator blinks red fast. After 2 minutes, you can start the setup of this device again. Watch video given in the description to learn how to do it. And lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my efforts. Thank you.